Hello everybody and welcome to Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Today we are making shrimp salad and fried rice cakes. So now I'm going to real quick tell you how much water and how much sushi rice you need. So first you need 2 cups and a quarter of water and 2 cups of sushi rice. And yes, first you need to rinse off your rice. To the Instant Pot. And yes, we customized it. So now we're gonna mix the rice. Yes, we're mixing it with water. Now we cook it on low heat. Now we put it on low pressure. So first you pressure cook. Then you press low pressure for 10 minutes. Oh. Yeah, then we'll let it vent for 5 minutes. So yeah. Now we're gonna scoop the rice in here. Okay, so now we're gonna push down the rice so that later we can cut it up sort of like brownies, and so our rice cakes will be even. Then we're gonna put it in the fridge. And by the way, we just put on some saran wrap, ceramic wrap, just so the rice doesn't get all over my hands. Okay, so now we're gonna refrigerate this, and our rice cake should be good in a couple of hours. Now we're gonna do the shrimp. So here's how to peel shrimp. Take a little bit of the crustacean's shell, and you peel it off. Okay, so now we're gonna cook our shrimpies at medium heat in soy sauce and olive oil. Okay, now that the shrimp is done, we now can add spring onion or green onion. Now we're gonna let them cool before we chop them. So now we're gonna start chopping our shrimp. Okay, so now we're gonna add pre-cut cucumber, all of your spring onion. We use 2 because there's gonna be a lot of people for this. Some sweet soy. Excuse me. A little bit wasabi. That's plenty. Now we mix. Remember the ingredients? Shrimp, soy sauce, olive oil, a little bit of wasabi, soy glaze, pre-cut cucumbers, shrimp, and spring onion. And don't forget the rice cakes that we did over there. I think that is well mixed. Time to fry our rice cakes. So now we're gonna cut the rice into rice cakes. Then we're gonna fry them. Rice cakes. And yes, these are made of sushi rice. You can use whatever rice you want. As long as it's sticky, it's fine. So now we're gonna fry our rice cakes. So first you start out with this at medium-high heat and some olive oil in the pan. Now stir with only a few, just in case. So wait for them to sizzle. That was very fast. Ooh. Ooh, they're crisp. But, could you not? And everyone, please subscribe. We've been stuck at 153 forever. So seriously, if you tried any recipes but did not subscribe, do it. I will come to your house. Okay, so we've already got a couple on the dump plate. So now, searching for the rest. Good. Good. So now we're gonna put on a slice of cucumber and a slice of avocado. I hate it when avocado slices just break. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy glaze. That's good. That's a little messy. That is good stuff. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And see you all next time on Wilson and Family Kitchen. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Goodbye.
You gotta line it up. Look at the shape of the base and the shape of the... What do you think, Kawhi?